Hi guys, this video is to show you how to download the software into your computer for the cloud storage. I started the video this way because I wanted you to see the box that I'm using for the cloud storage, which is that one, the black one. It's got 40,000 gigabytes, it's made by Synology, and is connected to my internet, the modem and the router. So that's it, that's what I'm using. This is it. That's the physical equipment that I'm using. So I'm going to go now to the laptop and I'm going to show you how to download the software into the computer, which is the first step. Hold on. Okay, so here I am on the computer now, on the laptop. I'm going to the link that I created for the Synology box. So go into the internet, type in the link. You hit enter, and it's going to take you to the main screen, the main login screen. So here what you do is you want to type in your ID. This is my personal ID. And password. For the password, I created a temporary password for you guys, a temporary, so that you guys can log in and change it as soon as you log in, so that you can have your privacy. So you log in with the temporary password that I gave you, and it's going to take you to the main screen. This is the desktop. This is the main screen. You log in, it's going to take you here all the time. So the first thing you'll see is the pop-up window. This is the tutorial. It's going to show you how to use it and what to do. It's got videos. It's got tutorials. Everything you need to know, this is going to tell you. You can X out of this or minimize it. It's up to you. I'll X out because I don't need it. So the first thing I want you to do, the first thing you should be doing, is changing the password. Because right now you're using a password that I created. So you guys don't want me having access to whatever personal stuff you have. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go to the option menu. It's on the top right corner. And click on personal. Now here, this is where you change the password. The temporary password that I gave you, this is where you change it. You go to new password, you type in whatever password you want, and then you click on the second box and you confirm it. You click it again. That's going to be your personal password. So once you do that, what you do is click on OK, which is down here. And that's it. You should have your own password. So the next time you log out and log back in with your new password, you should be able to go right in. So that was the first step. You change your password. Now the second step is you want to download the software into your computer, into your desktop, whatever you have. So you click on the Cloud Station server, which is over here. You guys might have it located somewhere else. I have it here on the second one. So you click on Cloud Station server. So what you want to do is you want to download it. You want to download it into your computer. So here you go. You got the Cloud Station drive. You got the Cloud Station backup, and you got the DS Cloud. You want to download all three. So the first one, let's start with this one, the download station drive. You click on download now. It's going to take you to this screen. On this screen, you click on this box. It's going to download it for you. Now, in my case, I have Windows on my laptop, so that's why you see the word for Windows right here. In some cases, you'll see Apple, because some people might have the Apple computer. So you don't have to worry about this. It's going to have it automatic. It's going to know, it's going to detect what computer you're using. So you click on this, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So you pick on downloads, you can pick on desktop, it's your choice. Once you pick the folder where you want to save it, you go down here and you click and you rename it. You can leave it as is if you want, whatever you want. You can leave it or change it. It's up to you. So then you click save. I'm not going to because I already did it. So once you hit save, you want to go and download the second one, which is the backup. So you download now, and it's the same thing. You click on this, you download it, you pick a folder, a file, a place to save it, you rename it, leave it as is, whatever you want, and then you save. Done. So you did those two. Now once you do those two, you minimize this and you'll see them on your computer. And that's that. It's that simple, guys. That's all you have to do is just download the software into your computer. Change the password. That's it. That's all you have to do. So you click on this, and this will come up. This is where you save everything you want to save from your computer. This is where you drag it. You drop it here. It's safe in the cloud. It's that simple, guys. So this is it. Thank you for watching.